Epic, the original version, a closer look. Like the first version of Epic we've learned, the left hand has this pattern of A chord, moving to F chord, then up to C chord, and down to G. And this pattern is going to happen over and over. However, in the original version of Epic, sometimes we get a little bit more driving rhythm, whereas we might have 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 1 and 2 and 3, 4. And then there's another pattern where it goes 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 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 1 and 2 and 3, 4. All right, so it's a little more fun to play because there's more motion to the song. And in that section, starting at measure 9, this part's not in the simplified version. The right hand is playing also starting in this A position, and it's playing a rest, 5, 4, 5, 5, 4, 5, 1, 1, 3, 4, 2, and rest, 5, 4, 5, 5, 4, 5, 1, 1, 3, 4, 5, 3, 2, 1. Rest. All right, I love that part. So I'm going to play the left hand along with the right hand. I'm going to go in super slow motion so you see how they fit together. So we're going to go like about 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 1, 2 and 3, 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 1, 2. Okay, whoa, notice we actually, in that second page, starting at measure 17, the left hand went to an F chord, and then a G chord, and then this low D, followed by an E. Okay, so our pattern changed at measure 17. Let's look at that one more time. We have F chord, and then G chord, D chord, and E chord. Now I'm betting if you're watching this video, you need to get your pencil out because this is the time to mark your score, so when you go to your music, you don't have to come back and consult the video again. So measure 17, write F underneath that chord, F chord, and then the next chord is G chord. Then draw an arrow down because you don't want to come up to this D. You're going to go down to this D and then right next door to E. I'm going to play the right hand because the right hand's staying right where it is and the left hand's doing all this moving. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, D, 2 and 3, 4, and E. And then we get to the part that everybody loves in the other song. that section that we had learned before. It is slightly different. I don't think it did that in the original version. So you do kind of have to go back to the woodshed, which means, you know, going to the woodshed means you're chopping wood and you're splitting wood and you're getting all your wood ready for the winter. You can't just throw giant logs in your fireplace and expect that to work to heat your house. So you go to the woodshed, you make kindling, and you get smaller pieces and you chop and split your wood. So that's what measure 21. You have to kind of go back to the woodshed and re-figure out the notes because you're in this A minor. You know, you're going to be 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 2, 1, 2, 2, 3, and then it says to switch to 1. So they're going to have you move your hand to the C major position so that you're ready for that new spot. C, D, C, D, E, E, D, E, E, D, E, G, E, D, and then it says to switch again. 3, 2, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4. So you really have to know what the right hand is doing because, of course, the left hand's doing A, F, C, C, G, G. And this is the pattern we already know, and it's all throughout the song. So the left hand you don't have to worry about, but getting the right hand at measure 21 through measure 28 figured out is going to be key. Don't just assume you can bluff your way through there because it is different slightly, but it is different than version 1 that you've learned already. When we get to the end of measure 28, then we go back to measure 9.